What's so funny?
Because we already went through this the first time we actually went to court, and you disrespected me saying that before, and I have a driver's license.
And you took that as you took that as being disrespectful. I'm
Yes,
sorry
because of the first time we went to court. Yes, I did. Everybody ain't a criminal.
Now I do remember our conversation. I asked you, did you want me to set this set it up now? And you said, yeah, but I guess
I don't mind, but every time I come to court, we don't never talk about what I'm actually coming to court for, because it's something always in the system. We always talking about the other stuff. If we're dismissing the court date, I know I have a ticket. I just was waiting for it to hit y'all system. I take care of my license.
We never come to court for what she came to court for. I thought we did that in the beginning. Did I get that pronunciation correct?
Yes.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, and you?
All right. On the docket, we have City of Detroit versus Shenica Green, case number U66245323, U66245423. Appearance for the record, please.
Shenica Harris on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Shenica Green.
All right, is there an officer? Officer Moss. Hearing no response.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss for both counts. No officer. All right, now, Ms. Green, I'll just make you aware that you owe $288 on this no proof of insurance. You owe $210, and on this new ticket,
I haven't made a court date yet.
make it right now. City of Detroit versus Shenica Green, case number SP154-21341. Appearance for the record, please.
Shenica Harris on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name again for the record.
Shenica Green.
Drove too fast for conditions. That's the allegation. Miss, you have the right to a formal hearing if you choose, or Ms. Horn can get you an offer. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people. And this is Ms. Shenica Green. I see on the docket, she has a parent duties ticket.
Yeah, so that ticket was dismissed because there was no officer. I didn't know. I called Officer Moss, and I never saw an Officer Moss come in the room.
Okay, so she must be in another area on the docket sheet.
No, actually, I just saw this drove too fast for conditions. The allegation was made on January 17th, 2024. She indicated to me, it just got to our system on January 23rd. She indicated to me she had not made a court date yet. So we were making that court date for her now. And then you can either give her an offer, or she can set a formal hearing, or she can pay it.
Okay, Madam Clerk, would you mind running a SOS for Ms. Green, please?
I'm sure that there's not going to be a license there. She owes
That's okay.
Here we go with this again.
I'm just looking at her record.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's pass that matter until we get that. Ms. Green, just wait momentarily, a few more minutes. What's so funny?
Because we already went through this the first time we actually went to court, and you disrespected me saying that before, and I have a driver's license.
And you took that as being disrespectful. I'm
Yes,
sorry that.
because of the first time we went to court. Yes, I did. Everybody ain't a criminal.
Now I do remember our conversation. All right. Is that?
Great, good judge. Yeah.
Unfortunately, we have to destroy these, SOSs, so I don't have it sitting in front of me like the other stuff, but, it is valid. And I guess we went through this before. This, she's got a no proof of insurance, an old one on here, and I don't know how that went unpaid. That's probably the only time I've ever seen that in the thousands of tickets. So, all right, she's got a valid license, Ms. Horn, and I guess you're interested in seeing what she has on her license. Is that correct?
I think she stepped away to come to the courtroom, but that does sound like what she wanted to see.
All right, and again, I apologize to you, Ms. Green. All right, let's pass it and we'll see. We'll see what unless you just want to set a formal hearing and come back.
Yes, that's what I want to do.
You want to contest it anyway?
I thought I was here for one ticket. I didn't know I was here for the one I ain't made a court date for.
We'll let you go. You can make your own court date, all right?
Thank you.
Ms. Green,
Let her go. Let her go.
Ms. Green, you might want to get the court date now because it may take you some time to schedule that. The court was just trying to get you that court date. So did you want to go ahead and schedule that court date?
I don't have a problem with scheduling the court date. I just thought I was here for one thing.
Right. And so as a matter of convenience and to help you out so that you don't have that just lingering, the court was trying to either resolve it or give you your next court date. Because if you let it linger, it just goes into default. So they were just trying to get you the new court date. So do you want the court date?
I don't mind the court date.
And that's what I said when I asked you, did you want me to set this set it up now? And you said, yeah, but I guess
I don't mind, but every time I come to court, we don't never talk about what I'm actually coming to court for because it's something always in the system. We always talking about the other stuff. If we're dismissing the court date, I know I have a ticket. I just was waiting for it to hit y'all system. I take care of my license.
We never come to court for what she came to court for. I thought we did that in the beginning. And this, if you want to clear it up today, Ms. Green, then they're offering you a blocking traffic, $175, or you can set the matter for a formal hearing.
If I do the 175, how long I got?
How long do you need?
To like the 10th.
Say that again.
To like February the 10th.
February the 12th. Want to take the deal?
Yeah.
State troopers.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for this. Well, we've already dismissed the other matters, officer. Find responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175. Pay by $175. Pay by February 12th. Pay it at any div bag kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it down here at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You still mad at me, Ms. Green?
Why you ask me that every time? We okay now? Hopefully I don't have to see you no more.
All right. All right, have a good day, man.
You too.
Okay.